Labda amepiga. Guys, we have arrived at Kisumu International Airport, and now we are heading to work. Yeah, so it was a safe flight that we had. So we are in Kisumu, the beautiful city here, and we are with Brian here. Yeah. So we are heading to work straight, check and rectify some issues that we've come here to check. So guys, stay here and watch as we go and show you what we're going to do there. So keep here, watch till end. Thank you.